Welcome back again, everybody. So glad you could be with me here. So, the liquid hide glue test board number 2 is holding. Pretty excited about that. So I thought I'd just let you know that it's holding, and I'm going to try and plane it down. What do I got? That might work. It might not. Nope, guess not. So, hope you're having a great day. It's the end of my day. I wanted to just plane this smooth, and we'll set it aside and see how it is in a month, in 2, in 3, etc. Now, that's not to say that I am condoning using old glue or finishes. I am not. What I am saying is, if you're in a pinch, and all you have is some old glue, do some tests and see if it's any more good. And it all depends what you're doing. If you're just tinkering, that's one thing. If you're making a family heirloom, that's a whole nother kettle of fish. So that's about it. I'll bring you in for the close-up. The glue joint here appears to be tight. The other one appears to be tight. There's no movement. End of the day. Wishing you all the best. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and head out to your workshop. We'll make some shavings. Walter out.